All right. The polygon shown is a regular hexagon. There we go. Regular hexagon. So what that means is this side is congruent to this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. And also all these angles are going to be congruent. So find the measure of x, m, a, and s. See what I did there? Ah. All right. Find the measure of x. Well, this also means that all of these interior angles here are going to be congruent. There are a couple different ways that you could do this. This, I think, is the easiest one. All of these combine to give you 360. There are 6 of them. Therefore, 6 x's equal 360, and x is a 60-degree angle. So there's a 60. And because this is a regular hexagon, all of these angles are actually going to be the same as well. So we can use that fact to figure out that we're actually dealing with a 60, 60, 60 triangle. So we got these equilateral and equiangular triangles that we're dealing with. First of all, we found x. Let's go ahead and move on to a. So the measure of a, because these are all 60s, we know that this is also going to be congruent to this. So a is 10 since it's equilateral. So we're done there. Let's find m here. Measure of m. Measure of m is also going to be 60 degrees since it's equiangular. Nice and easy. And then side is, let's see, side S is going to be 10 as well because it's equilateral. So nice easy problem there. Interesting that a regular hexagon can be chopped up into all equilateral triangles, if nothing else.